Hey crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor. So, let's start. Alright, in this video I'll discuss about this project that its potential or not like everything. Hope you guys give me your relevant times. Now, as you can see the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is Doge Fox known Obviously it's a meme coin, so the name is perfect with this project I think. So where you can see a new place, join the community driven new heights on Dogecoin rewards. So first of all, if you are holding this token, obviously you can get Doge token in your wallets by automatically as a reward by holding this. So where you can see something about there, they will go to the moon or meet Autumn Festival and earn a lots of Doge. Like as I said, if you holding it, so obviously you can earn Doge tokens. What is Doge Fox Moonino? Welcome to Doge Fox Moonino, where the strength of their community symbolized by their Doge Fox Moon mascot. Like here you can see the propels us to new heights with 4% Doge rewards and a bullish outlook. You will get the white paper in the website, so obviously if we need more information about this, we need to read the white paper. It's normal. Their tokenomics here you can see like there are total supply, I think it's 100 billion or 1 billion. I don't know, but you can check it out. The token metrics. Presale for 64%, liquidity 34%, and the presale fee which is 2%. Here you can see the smart contract and their tags like the buy and sell fees which is 4%. And you will get the presale information. Now, here you can see the roadmap information, like here is the phase 1. Phase 2 and phase 3. So obviously if you see there they are phase 1 like it's already done I think, or now not yet, but right now they are on their presale on DFM token or Pixel. In that stage they are now. So obviously after that what's coming, let's see. So I guess in the phase 2 they will launch their partnerships. Launch on PancakeSwap, CMC and CZ listings, BSC trading and call challenge. Also here you can see the Twitter ads, 1000 plus holders by contest, centralized exchange tier 2 big giveaways. I don't know guys, but I like their roadmap. I know that it's very normal, like they haven't any swap, NFTs, nothing as like other inputs, but I don't know, I like their roadmap. Like the team is very active, we can say that like they will start the marketing as soon as possible, because their presale will start soon. So where you can see the roadmap, and I hope that you will understand the roadmap at that and their mission and vision. Alright, so where you can see the partners like Pinsel. Also the wealth professor, I don't know, but here they mention like Safu, the owner of the professor class, and Dave of Pinsel. So literally I'm pretty foolish on it. I don't know about it really. It's also can be faked. I don't know about it. So obviously if you are interested to invest it, please make sure to research on it that really their partners is this dialogue. So obviously you will get some more information like the Pinsale, the XPO, BSC, scan package, so put coin at the backstore. And you will get the eggs at the Telegram community also about more. So now let's check it out, their white paper. So where you can see the white paper and you will get all information about it is the white paper, like this is the official white paper of Doge Fox Moonino project. So obviously about Doge Fox Moonino you will get more information about it, like here you can see, and also you can see the contract and the security information and their roadmap. Also like you can understand the roadmap clearly there. Obviously if you are in mobile there. So here you can see about their tokenomics, also the social links and many more what you need. You can check it out from yourself. Now guys, their presale which is upcoming on Pixel. Like here you can see, and they are doing they are doing it in a whitelist process. Like here you can see, and the sale will start after 2 days. And this is, I think, the soft cap, which is 60 BNBs. And here you can see the minimum buy, which is 0.3 BNB. Also the maximum buy, which is 0.6 BNB. So obviously, if you wanted to invest in, so obviously I think you need around $80. This is the minimum investors. Obviously, you can see the SAFU audit and KYC report. So obviously, you can check it out for yourself, and you will get something more information about their marketings. Like here you can see, like contract we announced or launched, 100X hot trading, also coin market cap and community drive, and a huge launch marketing low AMC. And you can see the pre-sale start and in time, also the liquidity percentage, which is 60%, and the liquidity lockup time and many more. And you can see the token metrics and whatever you need. Now guys, let's check it out, their X profile. Here you can see guys, they have only 500 followers. Let's follow them, and they have now 502 followers. So obviously fly with TFM and are 4% Dogecoin rewards. And here you can see the team is now active. Like they are posting actively, but they are active also in the Telegram community. So obviously, if you wanted to check it out from this project, so obviously you can join the Telegram community and contact with them. So guys, now if I want to talk about their investments, like as a meme coin, obviously I don't invest in their pre-sale because the amount is very much, and as a meme coin, it's very risky. But obviously, if you are risk takers, obviously you can check it out for yourself. But this is not for financial advisors. So obviously, as always, please make sure to do your own research. So now I'm expecting, but after their launch, I can buy this token to $5 to $10 and hold it for long term, like 10x to 20x. So this is a meme coin, and anything is possible. And by the way, guys, this token is on Binance Smart Chain. So I'm not pretty bullish in it, because we know that Binance Smart Chain tokens, which like as a meme coin, they are doing scams. Alright, so that's it about this project, about this meme coin. For more info, you can join the Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.